region between f of x equal to x squared minus 4, g of x equal to 2x minus 4, from x equal to 0 to x equal to 3. The first thing we need to do now is to get the intersection points. That's step 1. Equate the two equations together. So if you do that, we're going to have x squared, move this one to the other side. This one and this one we cancel, equal to 0. So we have x into bracket x minus 2 equal to what? We have x equal to 0 or what? Or 2. So that's the point of intersection. Okay, for this graph, f of x is 4. Let's get the y-intercept for this graph. I mean, x equal to 0. Put it there, we have what? 0 minus 4. I think that's what we need. Then we can come to your graph. Indicate your y-axis, indicate your x-axis. For the first one, quadratic graph, the coefficient of x squared is 1. So it's going to be open up. It's going to be like this. But don't forget what we have here, the x-intercept. When x is 0, y is minus 4. So that's 0. We can make our minus 4 to be somewhere here. So that's my minus 4. Then you can also do the x-intercept. X-intercept, y is 0. So solve that. 0 equal to what? X squared minus what? Minus 4. So that will be what? X will be plus or minus 2. So that means we're having 2. We're having 2, 0 and minus 2, 0. That's for the gotten the y-intercept. And then the x-intercept is what? We have minus 2. When x is minus 2, y is 0. When x is 2, y is 0. So these are the x-intercept. So I think we've gotten all what we need just for us to what? Join this point together. For the straight line, g of x is 2x minus 4. We can do the same thing also. Get the y-intercept. X is 0 for y-intercept. So that means we have 0, what? That's 0, 4. So it's that same place also, 0, 4. Now, can we get the x-intercept? So y is what? Y is 0. Do the same thing. So we have 0 equal to what? 2x minus 4. So 4 is equal to what? 2x. So s is equal to 2. So we have 2, what? 2, 0. 2, 0. It's also this place also. So I'm going to join that straight line. It goes that way. Okay. So I have this point here. The question says something here that from 0 to what? To 3. So we are not going to stop at the 0 to 2. We are going to extend our graph to 3. Let's say this is my 3. I'm going to extend this is my point 3. This is my 3. I'm going to extend that. So that place also, I'm going to indicate that area also. Okay. So had it been we are not instructed from 0 to 3, we could have stopped at 2. Okay, from 0 to 2. So that's what we have now. Let's now find the area. The area now is going to be the area of the graph is going to be from 0 to 2. That's the point of intersection from 0 to 2. What's the curve there? Don't forget the straight line. We have this is y equal to 2x minus 4. The open up graph, that is y equal to x squared minus 4. So that's what we have. So you can realize that the straight line is on top of the open up graph. So we have 2x minus 4 minus the other one, x squared minus 4. Close that bracket. That's that. The x plus, it doesn't stop there. Plus integral from 2 to 3. What is the graph there? For the graph there, we have the opened up graph, which is the x squared minus 4 minus the one below that. That is a straight line. That's 2x minus 4. Okay, the x. So that's the area of the graph. Okay, that's the area of the graph. This one we cancel. So we have integral from 0 to 2, 2x minus x squared dx, then plus this one from 2 to 3. This one also we cancel. We have what? x squared minus 2x dx. So let's do the integration. So this one will be x squared. 2x squared over 2. We have x squared. This will be minus x cubed over 3. Indicate the upper and the lower. Then plus. This will be x cubed over 3 minus 2x squared over 2. Okay, so we have for this first one, we have, if you do that, we have 4 minus 8 over 3. The lower limit is 0, 0, then plus. For this one here, we have from 2 to 3, which will be equal to, put your this there, that's 27 over 3 minus 9, that's the upper. Then open your brackets, put your 2. That's 8 over 3 minus 2 squared. Okay, so that's what we have now. So we have 4 minus 8 over 3 plus 27 over 3. This is minus 9 minus 8 over 3. Then we have minus 9 plus minus minus, that's a plus. So that's minus 5. That's minus 5. So that's what we have. Yeah, 7 over 3. So that's giving us 4 minus 5. So this 2 will give us minus 16 over 3 plus 27 over 3. And this one will be what? 4 minus 5, that's what? That's a minus 1. So if you combine this one together, you're going to have 16 plus 27 minus 3. So that's giving us 8 over 3. That's that for this question. It's very interesting just so you to interpret. Let me quickly recap what I've done. The first thing I did is to get the point of intersection. I got from 0 to 2. Okay. Then the next thing I do is to know this graph, this quadratic graph, how will it look like? Get the x-intercept and y-intercept. Okay. I was able to indicate when x equal to 0, y is minus 4. Okay, that's the minimum point of that function. And also I was able to get the x-intercept by equating y equal to 0. I'm able to get the x-intercept as minus 2 and what? And plus 2. And that's where the graph passes through. And do the same thing also for the straight line. Get the x and y intercept and draw your graph. But follow the instruction. The graph extends from 0 to 3. Okay, at 3, join it to the graph so you can know the upper curve and the lower curve. And that's what we have done. And they were able to set up the equation, the area of the graph from 0 to 2. Okay, this is the upper curve minus the lower curve. Then from 2 to 3, this is the upper curve minus lower curve. And then do the algebra and do the integration. It's a very interesting question, very sweet question, very interesting question. Okay, but it's not interesting just like that. Okay, you must be acquainted, you must practice. Okay, you must be acquainted to practice questions. You must solve as many questions as possible. Nothing happens by chance. There must be inputs. Okay, the more your inputs, the more your outputs. The more your inputs, the more perfect you become. Nothing happens by magic, and nothing happens by luck. Luck is preparation meet with opportunity. The more you practice, the more your opportunities. Okay, begin to practice now. Take your pen, take your papers, and begin to work along with the speaker. Smash the watermarks on the video. Click on like button. Begin to type your comments. Don't stop there. Make it go viral. Share the links of this video on all your social media platforms. Thank you for doing that.